Dear Santa, love
you have a little
Scott. Okay, guys, I did it. You want to proofread this? This is my letter to Santa this year.
You wrote a letter
I can't wait.
You wrote a letter to he really does. Scott believes in Santa still.
Yeah.
What's it say, Mike?
Dear Santa, lots of tools, love Scott.
It does not say that.
It does say that. He actually spelled it right, but Scott.
Lots of tools. I thought you wrote him a letter.
That's my wish list.
Oh, for crying out loud. Yeah, I'll mail it for you. Guys, this is a special edition. It's a video series that we've been doing. It's sponsored by Ohio Power Tools.
Every year we publish a tool gift guide.
This year we're doing the 12 days of
Toolmas. Starting December 1st, we will publish one video each day for 12 days. And we're going to highlight different tools each day.
These tools are tools that we feel that will make a great gift for that guy or girl you're having trouble to buy for.
Maybe they're a DIYer or in the trades.
Scotty said it right this time.
DIYer.
You'll be able to see all of these videos and all of the tools on our Toolbox Buzz 2019 Holiday Tool Gift Guide. It's going to be the video channel and, as well as also on our website.
If you like these tools, you'll be able to purchase from the link below or on the tool website, Toolbox
Sorry,
Buzz.
guys. I just like the sound of this. It just sounds good.
The smallest thing amuse you.
What are we, Scotty? What are we looking at today?
Beam me up, Scotty.
Beam me up, Scotty.
This is Milwaukee's new headlamp.
USB rechargeable headlamp. I actually was trying to see if I could wear it on my nose like Rudolph, but it wouldn't come down all the way. Low profile headlamp though, if you notice this little head right here.
Yeah.
The bezel head, I think they call it. Pivots, what about almost 180?
180?
Or 90. 90. Yeah, from here 90. Down to 90. Yeah. And it's got a 1-inch wide kind of, it's like 1-inch wide bezel flood beam.
Yeah.
Yep. What else is it?
USB rechargeable.
Yeah, I know.
I mean,
like
you can't beat that.
No, you can't.
And
while you're driving, plug it in.
Yeah, and 25 hours of continuous power.
600 lumens, and I know you love your lumens.
He likes his lumens.
I am a lover of lumens.
You love the lumens.
So it's pretty nice. It goes out about 125 degree swath for the beam coverage, which is nice. And Scott, where's
it's in the back. Battery in the back.
Oh, the bulby thing. The bulby thing in the back. Oh, I thought that was Hop's head. That's actually the battery.
Yeah, no, it's the battery pack.
So that's going to give you more maneuverability.
Right.
USB port right here in the back is where you charge it.
There it is. Yep. Just mini USB.
Mini USB.
Mini USB. So,
sorry, Apple lovers.
I like it because this little bezel head, you're going to be able to get your head, and I've got a much smaller head than you two guys, into tight places if you're looking for things. And it's balanced, right?
Yeah.
It also will fit a headlamp, right? So it's designed, it comes with 4 clips. Hard hat.
Yeah.
So it clips onto your hard hat if you wear a hard hat. It must go over the hard hat, right?
Yes.
Over the top.
It's got clips that slip on the bottom of the hard hat, and this comes
There's
right
clips
over.
here. This is how it's packaged.
And it's like pretty comfortable, right?
Sweat resistant. It's like sweatband.
Kind of like Richard Simmons sweatband.
Oh, it's right up your alley.
It's like Travis.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Travis on Travis' side, he wears his headband.
Yep.
We're like him today. Hey, Travis. Yeah. So there are a couple different beams. Let me see. That's high, medium, low, and then
economy.
Eco.
Yeah. 25 hours. 25
hour runtime on Eco. That's like unleaded gas or something.
Yeah.
It gives you more, less pollution, more use or something.
And it's actually really comfortable.
More runtime.
This is actually built very nicely because it feels kind of rigid.
It's not flimsy. I'm not worried about this breaking or
no, not at all.
It's got indents.
Well, it's IP54 rated.
Yeah.
So it's gonna withstand 2-meter drop, which is how many feet is that?
6 feet.
6 feet. 6 foot drop. Water and dust. If you're wearing this in the job site, you're gonna get wet a little bit sometimes.
Good.
Definitely dusty.
2,000 charges
before you burn it out.
Before you burn it out.
The battery.
2,000.
Wow. So if you do burn it out, though, I believe. I could be wrong. Can you replace this battery portion? I don't know. Does this thing? I think this thing comes out.
Probably instructions somewhere.
There's a lock button there, Mike. So that's adult proof. So that's why I can't figure it out.
No, that's Rob proof.
Here it is.
Oh, see.
Yeah. So then you buy a new battery. So you don't. I don't think it's the diodes that have 2,000 charges. I think it's the battery itself.
Yep.
So basically, can you figure that out for me? Don't have the pictures for it.
That was tough. That was really tough.
Rob, the best thing I think about this is the price.
Well, how much is it? No, don't tell me. Don't tell me. How much you think it is?
How much do I think it is?
How much do you think it's worth?
What would you pay for it?
Value.
Probably $69.99.
Ooh, you're close.
50? 50 bucks?
69 bucks.
69
bucks
I
resale.
So it's 99 cents off.
I should have known
Yeah,
that.
you're wrong though.
You
It's
were
like
wrong.
Price is Right. You
Yeah,
go
you're
over,
wrong.
you
You
lose.
lost.
All right, I never watched.
Did you know it was when you said $69.99?
No, I had no idea.
You totally
I'm just-
guessed that.
You said
I
69.
completely-
I mean, it's money.
Because I thought he knew and he was trying to be stupid. I actually said 50.
no.
I thought it was, I'd pay 50 bucks for this.
Yeah, even at 70.
Would you
it's-
pay 60 for it? I mean, it's $10 over.
Yeah, I guess I would.
If you're working at night,
Yeah.
tight spaces,
Yeah,
even
yeah.
during the day.
What if you're
attics,
working during the day in a commercial building or a residential
Yeah,
home?
yeah.
and anywhere in the attic, crawl spaces. I mean, it frees up your hand.
I actually like to drive at night with this on and just look around a lot because people just think you're weird.
Yeah, right.
You drive
Well, you are weird.
You get pulled over a lot, but that's okay.
I mean, I'm guilty. How many times have you gone into a crawl space and put the flashlight in your mouth?
oh, horrible.
Or tuck it under your arm as you're trying to do something?
No, you're going to
Wait,
want to.
well, because you don't work.
You're going to want to add
Why
this
do
to
I
your
need to
list.
work?
Yeah.
You write this on your list for Santa.
yes.
All right, $69. I
Milwaukee is
I think it's worth it.
M-I-L.
M-I-L.
W.
So,
How do you spell USB?
Scott's a product of Waltham Public School System. Milwaukee.
The pride of the fleet.
So, I think this is a great gift.
I think
might
it's
be
a
a little big
phenomenal
for a
gift.
stocking stuffer, but you might be able to fit it in a stocking a little
Yeah.
bit, but definitely a good gift. And I think this crosses all ranges. I think obviously pro contractors all day long.
Yeah.
Comes with a rugged
Commercial guys.
USB cable
And
too.
multi-trades.
And multi-trades, as well as maybe some DIY stuff around the house.
Yes, that's the charging cable.
How about hiking, guys? Like outdoor stuff.
Walking
Yeah.
the dogs.
Walking the dogs. Would these
Yeah.
fit on the dogs? Probably not.
Fits a
It
hike.
would be cool if you had the on the dog, you know. Anyway, all right, guys, that's it for this video. It was a short one. We talked about the Milwaukee USB rechargeable headlamp, 600 lumens, 69 bucks. I think it's a good one.
Yeah,
I think it's
absolutely.
excellent.
Yep. All right.
I'm wearing this home.
You're gonna wear it home. Wear it when you're driving at night. I'm telling you, get pulled over a lot. All right. Thanks, gues. Merry Christmas.
Take care.
Don't say Merry. Happy
Christmas.
holidays.
Happy holidays.
Merry Christmas.
Take care. Well, that went pretty good. It's a cool headlamp.
Hey,
It's a very nice headlamp, but why are you guys wearing Olfa shirts and I got a snazzy Christmas shirt on?
you missed the memo.
You missed the memo.
Oh, I had to read?
And the Alpha people think that us Toolbox Buzz guys are really thin.
Well, they were
Shirt
thinking
fits
of
me
me.
okay?
Yeah. Hey, you have those muffins?
Muffins? Do I have to share?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought they were just for me.
No, break them out.
Come on.
Let me get the light on.
Oh, yeah. Let's see.
Nice.
Oh, yeah. Alpha, if you're watching this, extra large next time.
Hey, you're very messy.
Oh, thank you.
You too.